Welcome to my complete character expression sheet, digital art making. It's been never I did this dedicated art for character making, especially making various expressions. I would like you to enjoy watching me making the art sheet process. Hey, do not forget to let me know your favorite. Hello everyone. Good morning. Tagline. You're with Art with Illustrator. Welcome to today's episode. It's been 2 weeks I have uploaded any videos. I was posting in the community session that I cannot post video. I hope you have seen it. Today it's 31st of October. I'm thinking like what to post this project. A current project. It's not gonna come anywhere now. Maybe it will come only next year. That's the problem. See, I'm recording videos, but none of that is gonna come this year. Maybe next year towards the middle only it might come. If I record this and if that doesn't finish and if I didn't upload the character expression sheet by the time this video goes live, it doesn't make any point for me. Because of so many things are going around. Like I said, there's a travel coming up, school exams are going on, but they are finishing his class early. I have to pack, plan what to buy, clean the house, set everything up. So it's like my hands are full, my mind is a mess. That's why videos are a mess all around. I hope you'll forgive me for this. But I promise you 2024 is gonna be better if God willing. Okay guys, so let's begin. Until the elephant to create a story for kids and also for portfolio purpose as well. It's my plan. I don't know how it's gonna happen. A rough picture is done. Totally, I'm impressed myself with this. I'm proud of myself with this. I can see that difference because before when I was starting, it was like very hard to create a character. Now it's still hard, but it's, don't mistake me, it is still hard. But how to say, the satisfaction level is way up. I mean, way different. Those days, I was never satisfied with anything. Now, when I create really create a character, I'm like, okay, I love it. I don't care if anybody love it, if I love it, that's it. Okay, anyway, posting. Okay guys, but seriously, if you really love the thing that you do, I think that's more than enough. You don't need anyone's approval. Well, this is nowhere near. Still, we have a lot of work to do. But right now I'm gonna stop because I have to go pick my son. That's for now. That's it. If I draw more, I'll show you. Or else when I take the camera, I'll show you. Until then, bye-bye. Okay, this is where we are now. I don't know how much hours I spent. An hour or more, I don't know. It's been like, it is right now, it's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna eat something because I'm really feeling hungry. So usually 11:30 I eat my lunch. Oh, yeah. Don't it? Fill the belly. Power is gonna go in an hour. What a life, yeah. What a life. Silly. I'm doing the same one. I'm not done yet. One of the thing I really love to shadow and color is cloth sleeves. I love, you have no idea how much I love. Gives me a lot of joy. And also hair. Okay, we are on the last stage of this illustration. So I'm gonna finish it up quickly and then we can move to next expression. I like to do this scribbles and make it look, I don't know, like this kind of. I enjoy that a lot. Okay, being happy. Ooh, I love it. So far, it looks super cool. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I think I'm shaking a lot. I'm holding it. Sorry. So this too is my son's favorite. My favorite is also this too. Which one is your favorite? So favorite, I know I will finish it quick. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay, I need to go there. So wipe down with 3 fingers, copy, paste, fit to canvas, make it to the size. Okay guys, I don't think you want to see this over and over again. It's the same process. I'm gonna continue and finish this until the elephant. Maybe I will add the anttail typo. Maybe I can add that after this so you can see that, and then final reveal. Thank you so much for watching if you are still here, and thank you so much. And I see there are a few new subscribers to the channel. Thank you so much guys, it means a world for me. That's the only thing, it's gonna support That's the one thing that's gonna support me as a YouTuber. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Illustrator family. Comment in the comment section which and tail, which expression you like the most. Out of this six expression of antail, which one you like the most? I like 4 and 5. My son also like 4 and 5. In 4 and 5, I think 4. She's so joyful, enjoying herself, feeling it and dancing it. So I think I like 4 the most. That will be first for me, and then 5. But tell me in the comment section which one is yours, your favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, let me know if you have any video suggestions that I can do. Let me know that as well in the comment section. If you do enjoyed, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. This both are going to support me a lot. Please share it with your friends and family so can get more reach. That will help me to help you to give out more videos. Okay, so our next clip is going to be, so that is the outro. Okay, that's the outro. I'm not going to do outro again. Next is going to be until the typo.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
And then the final review. So here we